That was amazing. Don't be mad at.
Welcome to Cine Select. Today we are excited to showcase the top 10 action movies of 2025. Get ready for a lineup packed with non-stop thrills, epic battles, and edge of your seats moments that will keep you hooked from start to finish. By the end of this video, you will definitely discover a few new favorites to add to your must-watch list. If you enjoy these movies summarized, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your movie-loving friends. Number 10. The Osiris.
They're on top of us! We can't stay here!
The Osiris. Osiris is a science fiction action horror film that follows an elite team of US Special Forces operatives on a covert mission deep in enemy territory. They awaken in a dark mesh-like structure filled with unfamiliar technology and deadly traps. The soldiers soon realize they are not alone. Hostile alien creatures stalk the corridor, hunting them with brutal precision. The survivors must rely on their training and instincts to regroup and adapt. Their objectives shift from combat to survival as they struggle to understand who took them and why. Number 9. Hostile Takeover. Hostile Takeover is an action crime thriller that follows Pete, played by Michael J. White, a highly skilled hitman who has been at the top of the deadly profession for years. Pete's known for being super precise and rely cool when he works, but he's got this weird habit. He actually goes to Workaholics Anonymous meeting. For him, it's a way to cope with burnout and find a silver of normality in a life soaked with violence. But to his crime syndicate boss, Pete's mysterious absence raises suspicion. When a botched communication leads the organization to believe Pete is planning to betray them, he suddenly finds himself marked for elimination. Overnight, the hunter becomes the hunted.
I am a workaholic. Hi, Pete. I know we're supposed to be in a circle of secrecy and all that. I just really like my job.
I need to know what he's done.
Why?
That's going one way or another.
Number 7. Shadow Force. Shadow Force is an action thriller that follows the story of two main characters, Kyra and Isaac, who were once top commanders of an elite special forces until known as Shadow Force. This group, composed of multinational special forces, is dedicated to carrying out sensitive and complex operations around the world. The story begins when Kyra and Isaac, against the rule of the group, develop a romantic relationship. This bond forces them to break protocol and change their lives to protect their son. They decided to go into hiding and distance themselves from the dangerous world and enemies they once knew. However, their decision comes with a significant threat. Their former comrades, now turned enemies, began to track them down with the intent of eliminating them. Number 6.
Years ago, I recruited these two into a unit known as Shadow Force.
Usually.
Yeah.
The Old Way. The Old Way is a gripping Chinese action-adventure film set in 1926, a tumultuous time marked by political unrest and widespread lawlessness. The story centers around Ping, a cunning and ruthless gangster who lives by his own rules, driven primarily by profit and survival. Ping is joined by his loyal brother as they navigate the dangerous underworld of bandits and rival factions. Their lives take a sharp turn when a mysterious and determined woman hires them for a high-stake mission. This task plunges them into a perilous conflict in which loyalties are tested and old wounds are reopened. As Peng and his brother infiltrate enemy territory, he uncovers a shocking truth. Number 5. Never a Thief. Never a Thief is a Chinese action crime thriller that follows Chayoji, a young man with an exceptional gift for lockpicking, lives quietly on the fringes of society. His talent catches the attention of the charismatic yet calculating leader of a high-profile gang that specialized in stealing priceless cultural relics. Tempted by money and wanting a place to belong, by unwillingly joins a group that pulls off dangerous planned out robberies and shady deals. Chayoji's job is pretty straightforward. He just uses his unmatched skill to get past the toughest locks and security systems. His job pushes him further into the gang's inner circle, and his precision earns him the trust of his new companion. Haunted by memories of his father's sudden disappearance years ago, Chayoji begins to connect subtle clues from the gang's operation to his family's past. Number 4. Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike is a high-stake military action thriller from Mexico. The film kicks off with a tense rescue mission deep inside cartel-controlled territory. The team managed to free 2 hostages, but on their way out they are ambushed by a brutal criminal group called El Nare, led by the ruthless and cunning figure known as El Halcon. Stranded and cut off from any backup, the unit must navigate hostile terrain, thick jungles, rural safe houses, and abandoned outposts while being relentlessly hunted. As the danger escalates, tension within the team rises. The soldiers begin to crack physically and mentally. Captain Guerrero, known for his strict discipline and unwavering moral code, is forced to make impossible decisions to keep his team alive. Amid the action, Counter-Strike adds emotional depth through flashbacks to Guerrero's past and his fallen comrades. Number 3. Omniscient Reader, The Prophecy. Omniscient Reader is a live-action film adaptation of the popular Korean web novel. The story follows Kim Dok-ja, an ordinary office worker whose only escape from his mundane life is reading to a web novel called He Wishes to Survive in a Ruined World. For over a decade, he has been its sole reader, intimately familiar with every twist, character, and outcome. One evening, suddenly the events of the novel started to happen in real life. The skies darken, monster creatures emerge, and the mysterious events described in the story begin to force humanity into deadly survival games controlled by powerful beings. Amid the chaos, Dok-ja encounters Yoon Jung-hyuk, the novel protagonist and an unmatched fighter who has lived through countless regressions, repeating the world's destruction over and over in search of victory. Number 2. Fountain of Youth.
Which genius will explain to me why I'm here?
Keep the cat in the bag until I release it. Yeah? Great. We're looking for the Fountain of Youth.
Oh, please, no.
What did I just say about the cat in the bag?
There's a reason the fountain was hidden. He can't succeed.
Fountain of Youth, a fantasy action adventure that follows errant sibling Luke and Caroline Purdue are reluctantly reunited after the death of their famous archaeologist father, who leaves behind clues to his greatest discovery, the location of the mythical Fountain of Youth. Once close as children, the pair now find themselves at odds. Luke, a reckless adventurer, and Charlotte, a brilliant but cautious academic. When they discover their father's hidden journal, they embark on a high-stake globe-trotting journey to decode ancient riddles and outsmart dangerous competitors. Their hunt spans exotic losses from ancient ruins in Luxor to secret libraries in Vienna and jungles in Southeast Asia, each filled with traps, cryptic puzzles, and guardians sworn to protect the fountain's secrets. But they are not alone. A powerful private collector is also after the fountain. Number 10. One Battle After Another. One Battle After Another is a dark comedy action thriller that follows the story of Bob Ferguson, a former revolutionary in 1984 California, who has grown disillusioned with the world around him. Once a passionate fighter to change, Bob now lives a quieter, more subdued life. However, his past catches with him with a long, dormant enemy resurfaces, forcing him to reunite with his old comrades to protect what matters most, his daughter. The film unfolds across 2 timelines. The present-day timeline, set in 1984, shows Bob navigating a complex and dangerous landscape filled with betrayal, old grudges, and a relentless pursuit by law enforcement led by the ruthless police officer Stephen Lockjaw. Parallel to this, flashback to the 1960s reveal Bob's radical youth and the events that shaped in the revolutionary ideals, exposing the sacrifice and traumas that still haunt him. Bob's daughter becomes the focal point of the conflict caught between the unresolved battles of the past and the harsh realities of the present. Thank you.